Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video, lovely viewer will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Today we'll see in this video top 50 plus creative and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Fabulous and detective and stylish trending landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative landscaping designs, garden decorations, ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Very creative and trending and attractive, modern, creative landscaping designs. So guys, I might suggest just keep on watching these videos till the end. I hope you liked the all unique modern landscaping ideas. So viewers, this video is very attractive and very stylish modern landscaping designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring trending landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So I will